Di ah.
Excited kaya akong backup dancer. Yes, thank you for singing with me, guys. It's the same old feeling back again. It's the one they had way back when they were too young to know when love is real. But somehow some things never change, and even time has cooled the flame. It's turning even brighter.
Ganda talaga ng boses niya, no?
Before